Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. This happens to be one of several hundred live training lessons, training sessions on how to help build your business, whatever money-making opportunity, whatever type of business you're working, plus how to build your Silver Fox $5 2x5 force penny matrix lead generating system, okay? So this is one of several hundred. Now, if you happen to be watching this on a YouTube presentation, a YouTube video, you happen to come across, tripped over this video out there, obviously you cannot get at this page, can you? All right. So what I want you to do after the training here, I want you to go down into the description of the YouTube video. I want you to go down into the description. I want you to click on a link. There's an affiliate link in there, and I want you to click on it, and this is where you're going to be redirected to here. Once you click on that link, you're going to be taken to this page. Obviously, it's impossible to miss, right? This happens to be the $5 2x5 force matrix. This is the main page here, okay? Now, we're not going to talk about this page right now, but what's going to happen now, after, of course, you're going to watch this video here, and then you're going to scroll down here to the very bottom of this page. Scroll down to the very bottom, okay? And you're going to click on this little link down here, Library Training Videos. Library Training Videos. And this is just one of several hundred that you're going to receive for $5 per month. $5 per month you're going to receive this video. You can actually get at the page, okay, plus several hundred more, and here's the topics, and of course we talk about Facebook and Google and Backpage and the blogs and how to set up a YouTube presentations. I can go on and on and on here. How to set up banners and how to work with banners, how to build banners. I get free software here. Google marketing, how to set up a sizzle call for your business, how to use the 3-foot rule, international social networking sites, how to work Twitter. Oh, there's a few more down here, okay? All right, how to copy and paste, how to upload pictures. Oh, by the way, that's what we're going to be talking about today, how to upload pictures, all right? How to resize pictures. I can go on and on and on and on. These are all going to be live training videos, okay? And then what we have is we have a live training room, and we happen to be in that live training room right now, and we have about 10, 12 members in there. I do most of my live video recordings in the live training room, so that way you can participate. We still have a few more. Oh, look at this. You're going to receive over 500 ebooks on various topics and niches, 500 of them, along with all these training videos, okay? For how much? $5, okay? So if that's where you find the library here, of those training videos, and obviously you cannot get at this training video until you pay that $5, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go down into the description, which is going to take you, let's see if I get my, did I lose it? I don't think I lost it. And what you want to do is click on that link, and it's going to take you to this page here. Let me take you back to that page there. All right, you're going to eventually get to this page here. Okay, so this happens to be the training video for resizing, resize, cropping pictures, photos, images, and inserting in blogs and websites. Okay, lots of powerful keywords here. Now, before I get started here, I want you to understand something. You can, as a member, all right, you can go in here and steal. Okay, I like the word steal. You can go in here and steal this video and make it your own. This is the reason I do this, is so that you can go in there and make it your own, and you can put it into your YouTube channel. And these keywords, when people go out there on Google searching for, well, how do I resize or crop pictures or photos or images, how do I do that? Okay, well, what's going to happen is, guess what? Your YouTube video is going to show, and they're going to come here and they're going to be watching this. Okay, chances are you're one of those. You typed in these keywords on Google, and guess what? You found us. You found us right here. Here we are. So if you're out there trying to build your business and you're looking for leads and you're looking to work the network, and it's called this is called attraction marketing. Okay. This is an excellent way to find people who are looking for these keywords on Google, because you're going to pop up. And guess what? I mean, I don't care what you say. $5, everybody can afford $5 to get a couple, 200 or 300 live training videos plus over 500 ebooks. Okay. They should not have a problem paying $5 a month to do that. So what I want you to do is, when we get done here, okay, what I want you to do is, of course, I want you to go find this training video. I'm going to show you in just a minute how you're going to find it. I want you to access the free software and steal and duplicate this video and click here. Now you notice all these little bouncing arrows, okay? Well, these are very important links in here. And obviously I'm not going to click on these links, because guess what I want you to do? I want you to go and I want you to click on that affiliate link in the description, and I want you to pay $5. Okay, that's how we do this. All right, I'm not going to show you everything, because why should I? I want you to go to join that affiliate, and it's only $5. Hey, come on. It's worth $5 to find out what's behind this door, isn't it? So you're going to have a free software that you can actually duplicate this video here, and you can steal it and make it your own by clicking on this link. What you want to do is you want to then subscribe to the Silver Fox Network by clicking on this link, because by the time we get done, I have about 100 videos right now, training videos. By the time we get done here in the next few months, we're going to have probably 300 or 400, all right? So you want to subscribe to my Silver Fox YouTube network by clicking here. To send your videos viral, use this free service here. I'm going to click on that link. Find another free video traffic service by clicking here. This is one of this YouTube, and there's one more out there that's high traffic. There's two powerful ones. YouTube is one, and of course the other one you're going to find behind this door. Okay. Now, remember I talked about attraction marketing. I'm going to talk about a little bit here. My question to you is, if you're looking to build your business, if you have a money-making opportunity or whatever business you might have, my question to you is, are you receiving 10, 30, 50 top-quality leads every day for your money-making opportunity? Are you doing that? I receive 100 to 200 a day. But if you're not receiving 10 to 50 top-quality leads, you're doing it all wrong. Are you being paid to generate leads for your business? I mean, is somebody paying you to generate leads for your business? Chances are you're not getting paid to do that, are you? Now, be honest. How many prospects opt into your business opportunity page every day? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? It's called attraction marketing, then cross-marketing using the Silver Fox $5 2x5 force matrix, penny matrix system, okay? And behind this door, by clicking this link, you're going to learn how to gain access to thousands of multi-level marketing, multi-level networking. See all my keywords here. See, I got all kinds of keywords here. In one of my other training videos, I'll talk about that. To attract other like-minded people to your $5 2x5 penny matrix or any of them, behind this door, you're going to learn about it, okay? But in order to get to this page, you're going to have to go and do what? Pay $5 to the affiliates, to your affiliate link down there. Okay, this is called a $5 2x5 force matrix. $5 returns $38.75 per month. So what I'm trying to say is, in addition to hundreds, close to 1,000, all right, books and training videos, et cetera, you can actually make money with this system here, all right? So a simple $5, and I hate to use the word investment, a simple $5 investment will return you $38.75 per month when your matrix is filled. I'm not going to get into that in too much detail because we talk about it on another page. So in addition to actually paying $5 to learn how to build your business, you can actually make money by doing it right here. Right? You can see this is under construction, and what we're going to do today together is we're going to build this page together. Okay. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that in just a minute. So many times you're required to resize your images and pictures in order to be able to upload them into an affiliate site and website, okay? So there again, here's some bouncing arrows now. Keep in mind, this is where the action's at, behind these doors here. So always pay attention to these arrows, because that's where you want to go when you eventually get to this page, is you want to pay attention to these arrows, all right? So find one of the free resizes I use right here. So if you click on here, you're going to get one of these pages here, right here. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to go after a picture that I have. And a lot of people have a lot of problems where they have one of their pictures and they try to plug it into an affiliate website or some type of area that the picture needs to be resized. Otherwise, the system will not take it because it's too large. Well, this is right here. This is the simplest one I have found. Okay, so behind this door here, okay, you're going to find this. And what we're going to do is we're going to go after one of my pictures back here, and we're going to resize it. So pictures, and we're going to go down here, and let's see if I think I've got the one sitting by the pool. I think I'm right here. I'm sitting by the pool right there. I'm going to put that in there. See how I did that? I went really fast. You want me to do it again? People say I go too fast. All right, I go to my picture file on my desktop. Okay, I'm going down here. I'm finding one of the pictures that I have. See if I can find it again. I'm going nice and slow. Here it is. I double click on it. Oh, you can highlight it and click on it, but I just double click on it. Okay, there it is. And it's an image. You can resize videos and URLs too. Okay, it's ready to be resized. So I can select the default, or let's take a look at what's going on in here. Okay, here's an avatar. This is like for when you go to forums. Okay, you got your little tiny little picture there. So when people talk to you on a forum, you would select that picture. This is a thumbnail. This is these are the sizes, 160 by 120. It tells you here. Okay, message board, 15-inch screen, 17-inch screen. I typically choose the 17-inch screen. That's what I typically choose. Okay, so 17-inch screen. Now you can click on this if you want this to be automatically sent to your email, but I don't do that. This is what I do. I do a shortcut. All right, there's a little capture here. This is, please help us fight spam. Okay, follow the instructions in the graphic below. I love this. Okay. Please enter what? Solve. This, everybody has something different, don't they? Your answer. Solve what? I guess it's media. We're going to find out. Nope, invalid. They got a weird captcha, don't they? Go down and get it again here. I feel like I'm on a game show or something. Image, all right, go down here. All right, upload again, upload now. Okay, follow instructions in the graphic below. What happened here? Okay. Please enter, get the hopper today. What a way to advertise. Isn't that neat? Wish I'd have thought of that. Please enter, get the hopper today. Okay, I think I typed everything just right. There it is. Okay, here's my picture. Okay, here's my picture. This is all I do. Okay, is I highlight the picture. I put my cursor on the picture here. For some reason, people don't quite understand this, but if you're watching me now, no misunderstandings. I right-click on the picture. Save picture as. Okay, I'm going to take it to my, let's see, affiliate. I'm going to name the picture. Okay, now, here's something else I'm going to teach you. Extremely important you pay attention to me here. We want to name the picture, okay? This is how we want to name the picture. You want to put keywords in your title. Silver, fox. We're going to go $5 2x5 matrix. Harvey Pool. Now, when you name the picture here, you can't have any spaces. Do not put spaces in between there, okay? But there's all kinds of little neat keywords on there, okay? See the keyword silver fox? If you go to do a Google search on images and you type in silver fox 2x5 matrix, you're going to see all my pictures pop up, okay? Because I don't name a picture with numbers. That's just insane. Why would you want to do that? It's all about keywords on Google, right? So this is one long title, isn't it? This is a lot of reasons that people find me. I mean, if you do all the right things here, eventually you cannot be, nobody can lose you, okay? Because you're everywhere. I'm everywhere on Google. This is one of about 100, 200 different reasons I'm everywhere on Google. These little things like this. So this is silver fox, okay, picture. You know what I'm going to do is, so I can find this picture real quick later on, I'm going to put a number here, 1, because it's going to go to the top of my page there. So there, I'm sitting by the pool. I'm going to save it. Okay, that is saved, and it's in a 17-inch screen. Okay, so that was pretty easy, wasn't it? That was pretty easy. Okay, now here's the best HTML editor I've found to build lead capture pages and websites. We're going to click here in just a minute. I have built the majority of my Silver Fox $5 2x5 force penny matrix using the tools found in this program. So let's go find that program without clicking on it. Here it is. Here's the program. Now, like I say, once you get to this page here, you're going to be able to access this program. And I think, there again, on the internet, everything changes in a nanosecond. You've got to keep in mind that everything's changing. I've been with this program for 10 years. I have made thousands and millions of dollars with this program here, because it has everything that you want to build websites, web pages, lead capture pages, splash pages. Everything that you want is in this program here. It's got trackers, it's got unbelievable how many tools are in there, okay? Right now, the system is free for 30 days. You can play with it for 30 days. But keep in mind that everything changes, okay? And I know that the owner of the program just keeps threatening to say, well, I'm going to take away the 30-day free trial. But he's said that for the last, ever since I've known him. But, there again, this video right now, obviously, it's the first part of December. Next year, he could say, okay, I'm taking away the free trial. So don't come to me and say, well, I thought it was a 30-day free trial. Well, right now it is, okay, as a recording of this video. So this is the page right here. This is the editor. This is the HTML editor. Look at this. Look what you get with this. I write everything. I write all the pages with this editor here. This is it. This is my foundation. This is my base, okay? So the page that you're looking at, let's see if I can find it again here. I wrote this page with it, okay? The page that you're looking at right here, okay, this page here, I'll take you up and stretch you at the top up here, happens to be, this is the editor inside this program. This is it, okay? Once again, right here, and this is it. So we're going to go in here, and this is what we're going to do. Is I'm going to go down here. This says under construction, okay? I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to put a frame in here. And there again, this is some of the stuff that I'll teach you in the live training room if you happen to get this program. I'm going to put a frame in there. okay? Because you want to build everything in frames. And up here, I'm going to go get that picture that we just resized. So up here, this is, I know it's really complicated up there, but you know, once you start playing with this and working with this, this comes easy. But this is where I can insert a image. See this? Insert image right here. Upload files. Now I have to go find that picture that we just resized. And let's see if I can find it. Remember, I put a 1 in front of it. There it is, right there. See, you can put, you can see I have just tons of pictures here. Okay, I put a 1 in front of it so I could find it easy because I know it'd be towards the top. Okay, so I'm going to double click on it, and it just loaded. Okay, so that's a 17-incher. That's what the size is going to be, a 17-incher. I'm going to go down here and insert. All right, that's the size of it. That's what most affiliate programs out there, most websites out there, when you go download or upload or whatever, that's the size they take. So let's do something else here. Upload. Let's go find the original picture down in here somewhere. Okay, there it is. Ooh, look how big that puppy is. See what we did there, gang? We just resized that. See that? It used to be this big, and we brought it down to the other size. Okay? Now, what's great about this little piece of software here? I want to show you something. I'm going to click on this frame, and guess what I can do? Oops. Oh, let me click on the picture. Ooh, I can resize it right in the frame. Look at that. So what I'm trying to tell you is that I can whip out web pages up every 15 minutes if I want. I mean, because this tool here in this program does it all for you. It really does. And it's not that, it's only like $39 a month after you decide that you want to keep it. I mean, you can do all kinds of fun things with this tool. Just like everything else, everybody gets frustrated. They want to learn something in 5 minutes, and if they can't figure it out in 5 minutes, they're on to the next and best thing out there. So you're going to, you know, if you do decide to play with this, and I'm going to show you some other neat things with it too. Okay, so I resized that picture using the big picture, but like I said, some programs aren't going to let you to do that, so you're going to have to use the program back here. See if I can find it again here. This little program here, okay? It does it for you. Pretty neat, huh? Okay. So another thing I teach, constantly teach, save often. Save. I'm going to save this little guy here. I'm not taking any chances. I did some work here, and you'd be surprised. I'll be working away, and all of a sudden my computer decides to turn off. I go, what? And I didn't save. So constantly save every 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it takes. Save constantly, all right? Okay, so there you go. Now let's go over here to the page here, and this is under construction. Now we're going to refresh and see what happens. Oop, there I am. Okay, there I am. All right. Now I'll go back to the editor back here. All right. Now, so this part is ready. Of course, this isn't going to be the final page. I'm just playing with this here to show you what's going to happen here. Okay, now I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to show you something else here. It's pretty neat. This is where this video is going to go. All right, well, it takes about 2 hours to process this, okay? When I get it processed, I'm going to put this video in this frame. Remember I talked about frames? You got to make sure you put everything, embed everything in frames, all right? Another thing, too, is notice my keywords up here when spiders and those little spiders and Google indexes, they come down, they start at the top of the page, and they come down and they go find keywords, okay? Notice my keywords are right up here. All right. Another thing this program has here is you can put a meta title. Okay, so I'm going to put a meta title in here. The spiders actually start at the meta title. So I put a meta title. Keywords. I've got keywords back here ready to go. Somebody's got dogs barking there. If you can mute yourself. Okay. I got the keywords. I'm going to put those in there. All right. And then the description. Well, I haven't put a description together, so I'm just going to grab something up here. I'm going to see. I got all kinds of keywords going on here in titles and okay. So we're going to talk about. Remember, description. There's all kinds of keywords in my descriptions. Okay. Remember what I said? I said make sure that you save often. Okay. Well, I just did something, didn't I? Well, I don't want to take any chances here, so I'm going to save again. There you go. I saved it again. So the spiders and the indexing, they start at the meta title here. They go to the keywords. They go down here, and then they start working their way down to the right here. Now, remember what I said about making sure that your images are keyworded too, okay? Because if you put like this image is like, say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, well, the spiders, they don't care about numbers. But if you have an image, we're going to go to properties here. Let's see if I keyworded my image. Let's see if I can. I'm not going to be able to tell. Anyway, if I keyworded my image, which I did on this one, okay, and I named that image Silver Fox $5 Force Matrix, the spiders are going to start with that image. Pretty neat, huh? So what I'm trying to say is when you start building images and you start building pictures and you put your own picture in there, make sure you name your picture and put plenty of keywords in there, okay? Now, something else I'm going to show you right here. This is where the YouTube video is going to go. This is the frame. What we're going to do is I'm going to delete that image. Delete the image. And I'm going to put capital X's through there. Ooh. This is a little bit of cheating on HTML programming, okay? I got capital X's in there. I'm going to go over here to one of my videos, the one I did yesterday. Obviously, I can't put this video in there, okay? And I'm going to click on Share. Now, there's two ways you can share. Here's the link, and I want you to go over to Embed. Embed. I want you to right-click and copy. Let me do this again here. Go to Share. You don't want the link. The link's not going to work. You need to go into Embed. Right-click, copy. Now, this is an HTML editor also. So we have, down here we have normal, and right here we have HTML. Let's see what happens here. Oh, there's HTML. Yeah, good luck reading that, right? Especially when you're a newbie. And here's normal. Here's HTML. Well, I'm going to teach the newbies how to find what I just did here, because I want to put an embedded in there. Now, do you see anything here? Oh, here's a bunch of X's. Can't miss that, can you? So now I highlighted those X's. I right-click, and I paste. Okay, see what happens? Go back here to normal. Scroll down. Well, look at there. I have a video inside my frame, inside my web page. I'm going to center it, make sure it's centered up here. Okay. Now, remember what I said? I want you to save, 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 save. Constantly save. Okay. So now I have this page, hypothetically, it's ready to go, but I'm going to have to do some playing with it after later tonight, tomorrow morning. So this is ready to go. Now, since I'm going to show you a couple things here that if this was a very generic page where I didn't want to, in other words, we want to get $5 for this information, right? We just don't want this out to the public because we want everybody to pay you $5, don't we? Okay. So, but if this was a page that you were doing some blogging or some special design or whatever, remember, I use this as the foundation. Everything starts in this program here. This is the foundation of everything that I do. This is how I make $500,000 a day. Starting from this program, this HTML editor here, all right? So if I wanted to make something special and some type of blog or whatever, here's what I do now. Okay, I put my cursor in here. I hit Control A. Control A highlights all the text in there, all the HTML. Let me say that again. Control on your keyboard and the letter A. Control A highlights everything. I right click and I copy. Now, I'm going to go over here. This is my Blogger. I'm going to have another video on training you how to set up your Blogger. Okay. I'm going to have a new blog. And, well, I got ahead of myself. Let's go back here. Let's go back to normal. I need to name my blog. I want these keywords as the title. So I got to copy this first. That's my title. The keywords are extremely important. You notice I've got it just jam-packed with keywords. The name of my title. I copied it. And now I'm going to paste it. All right. Okay. I wonder if I got logged out. As you notice, there again, people say, well, how can you make so much money? Well, look at this here. I almost have 58,000 page views. I have 1,200 posts. Okay. Well, I just know how to do it, but it does take some time to do all that. Okay. Here we go. The title again. Post title up here. Right there. I got my title posted. Okay, now, let me show you something here. Most blogs have a compose or an HTML. Well, do I want to sit here and compose everything? That might take me about a couple hours, right? So I'm going to turn it on in HTML mode. It's on HTML mode. Now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to put this in HTML mode. Put my cursor in the middle. Doesn't make any difference where the cursor is at. Control A. Copy. Go back to my blog. And I'm going to paste. And guess what I have, gang? Let's see what I got here. Just got to make sure I copied everything here. Okay, it's got chopped off. So let me go back here. I did something wrong. Let's make sure I have everything. I'm going to Control A and copy. Go back to my blog. Turn it on in HTML mode. I'm going to Control A and I'm going to delete, just in case here. Control A and delete. And now I'm going to paste. Okay, your HTML cannot be accepted. Closing tag has no matching. Okay, what's happened here is I've got a couple HTML links in there embedded and hiding. So I'm going to ignore the warning. Stay on this page. Okay, compose. So at the very top up there, there again, when you start writing using this program here, you're going to probably have to write it towards a blog, okay? And there's certain things, HTML codes, that this specific blog won't take. You got to understand that, all right? So that's the reason I'm having trouble. But I'm just kind of giving you an idea that you can just write one blog in this HTML format, and you can copy and paste it to hundreds of blogs out there, okay? All right, different locations. There's one more thing I'm going to show you. Obviously, I don't want to publish this. Oops, I don't want to publish this blog. Why? Because I don't want the public getting access to all this, all right? Because they have to pay for it, so I'm not going to publish that. But I'm just going to show you how to use this system. Okay, so that's the blog. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this. And you're going to see me actually put this into your back office right now. This is my admin panel, okay? So manage resources. All right. And I have this title already set up for you. Resizing, resize, cropping pictures, photos, images. I have it all set up for you right here. Oops, they're timed out. Go back into admin. Manage resources. Now, remember I said HTML. I'm looking for the HTML. Right here is the HTML. Okay, update. And then I want to put it underneath photos. These are the lessons for photos, images, banners. I want to save the resource. Go back to my account, and this is what it's going to look like in your back office here. There it is, right there. Let's see if we did it right. Oh, look at there. There it is. There I am. Okay, now obviously I'm going to redo this, but I'm just kind of giving you an idea how easy and important it is to have some type of HTML editor that you can build this, so you can just go back, copy and paste, copy and paste. Okay. So what's going to happen here is, I'm going to make sure I get, this is going to be your back office in the $5 matrix. In fact, what I'll do is I'll log out, and I'm going to get to mine. This is what your back office is going to look like, okay? And of course, you're going to have banners ready for you. I got banners already placed for you back here. And what you do is you just copy the HTML code here, and you can place it on Craigslist back page. But I got all the banners for you. Everything's ready for you to go back here. All right, back to my account. Resources. Everything is, all these training videos and ebooks and everything will be in resources. Click on resources. Okay. After a period of a few months, you're going to see like you're going to have to keep scrolling down. For $5, where can you get all this? Okay, even this much. You know, this has got to be just, these tidbits of resources here have got to be worth $5. But when we get done, you're going to scroll down and scroll down and scroll down and scroll down, and you're going to say, wow, for $5. Anyway, here we go. You're going to scroll down here. There it is. There it is, all ready for you to go. And then you can start clicking. You can actually open up the door here. Okay. Remember, the only way you're going to be able to open up these doors is you have to become a member for $5. And I'm sure there's somebody in the live training room right now that if you can't afford $5, they'd probably loan you $5 for a piece of the action. Okay. This is it, gang. This is one of several hundred live training videos like this. Okay, you got it all. In fact, you can find several more free resizing cropping services here. If you don't like this one, see how easy that one was. Come on. But you can find more here, and it's got more whistles and bells, and they can do some type of, they can do cropping in here, and they can do some type of, so somebody can't steal your picture. I don't know. There's all kinds of neat tools. But hey, I just keep it simple. Right here, this is the one I like. This is the one I've used for years and years and years. It's free. You can see how easy it was to use. There you go. Okay, I'm going to open up for questions. Does anybody have any questions? Let's see. Type the words that are in the pink. Curtis says, type the words that are in pink. Type the words that are in pink. Can you explain that to me, Curtis? Oh, that's okay. Curtis says that's when I was trying to figure out that CAPTCHA. I mean, what a neat little idea that is. I wonder if they get paid to have somebody type those words. I wonder if the advertisers pay per CAPTCHA that's entered. I don't know. That just fascinates me. I've never seen a CAPTCHA like that before. And they just changed it too. They keep changing it around. One time they had a video. They wanted you to watch the video. Just those things fascinate me. Okay, any questions on the training we just did? Now, this is going to be like every video that we're going to put together. I'm going to go into great detail on how to do some of this stuff. Okay? there again, I mean, where can you get this for $5 a month? Plus, you're going to be able to make money, $850 monthly income, okay, by sharing this with others. Where can you get some? I know, that's already it. I knew that was coming. You guys are terrible. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to wrap this up if there's no more questions. I mean, it was pretty simple. Another thing, too, is people say I go too fast. I go too fast. And so what you want to do is you want to hit pause a lot. Pause on the video, on the YouTube video. Hit pause and then maybe rewind a little bit if I go way too fast. Okay, some people say I go too fast. Some people say I go too slow. Okay. So this is yours, gang. This is members. No, it's not ready yet. Remember, I just put it in there. We're still recording. You guys are terrible. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you get members. Members, pay attention here. You have to. I'm going to send this out tomorrow. Okay, in the update. Make sure that you're getting your updates. Check your spam. I get people say, well, I didn't know about that. Well, make sure that you get your updates. Check your spam and junk mail. Okay, it's the only way you're going to find out about something like this is through the updates. And then once you get the update, you're going to be able to go in there and steal this video. Steal this video. It's yours. Put your affiliate link in there. And let's dominate Google with all these keywords. Here's some great keywords: resizing, resize, cropping, pictures, photos, images, inserting in blogs and websites. I mean, great. When somebody types those keywords looking for help, okay, on Google, guess what they're going to find? They're going to find your YouTube. Okay. Always remember that you need to hang out in the live training room, because I do impromptus like this every once in a while. I don't announce it. So if possible, hang out in the live training room, mute yourself, work in the background. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 people in there right now. We should have at least 50 to 100 at all times, okay? That's it. With that said, I'll see you in the live training room. This is Harvey the Silver Fox saying, hey, let's go make some money.